Hey everyone, I'm Petty, a finance consultant with over 10 years of experience in finance and investments. Today I'll show you how to create a simple, stress-free budget that works, even if you're not a finance person, because if you don't tell your money where to go, it'll quietly disappear. Start by writing down all sources of income: your job, freelance work, or side hustle. For example, let's say you make $3,000 per month. That's your total income. Knowing your income helps you plan how to spend, not just survive. Track every dollar, yes, every coffee, snack, or app subscription. For example, your budget might look like this: rent $900, food $400, transport $200, and fun $150. You'll quickly spot money leaks. Here's a simple formula that the 1% live by: 50% for needs, rent, groceries, utilities; 30% for wants, entertainment, dining out, shopping; 20% for savings or debt repayment. Example, from $3,000, $1,500 to needs, $900 to wants, $600 to savings or investments. It's simple. But this rule builds millionaires over time. Budgets without goals collapse fast. Ask yourself, what am I saving for? Example, save $1,200 for emergencies in 6 months. Give your money a mission and it stops wandering. Here's a simple budget example. Income $3,000, rent $900, food $400, transport $200, savings $600. This is how your budget can look in a basic table. Update it monthly. If your difference turns red, adjust next month. Simple, visual, powerful. See, budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about freedom. Freedom to plan, grow, and live without money stress. For specialized services in finance and investments, check my links below: Fiverr, Upwork, and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips on budgeting, investing, and financial freedom.